So it turns out RVing is trending.
All the cool kids are doing it, but you didn't have to tell us that. We're both second generation RVers with great memories of family vacations when we were kids and great memories of RV vacations with our kids.
We also both worked for many years at Trailer Life, MotorHome and RV Buyers Guide magazines, editing and producing hundreds of issues and building the Trailer Life DIY YouTube channel.
But we shifted gears during the pandemic, and we're now sharing the beauties of the RV lifestyle here on RV Smart.
And we're celebrating a milestone.
We recently crossed the 500, scratch that, 600 subscriber mark, and we just wanted to say thanks for all your support on our roller coaster ride this past year. And with the pandemic finally in our rearview mirror, maybe, kind of, we're looking forward to sharing more RV tips and tricks, travel and upgrade project videos, and helping you make some great memories of your own. Don't forget to subscribe and feel free to leave your comments and questions. We love to hear what you think of our videos.